Hey guys, here's another strategy to use patty paper and to label the proportions to help students understand which ratios they should be using to demonstrate that corresponding sides of similar figures are proportional. So again, we can use the patty paper to help them with that visual of which angles correspond, which sides correspond. Now they need to not only trace the figure, but also list the names of the angles and the sides as well. So the first thing you're going to want them to do is rotate the figure so that now they can see which sides correspond and which angles correspond, because they overlap. So we have our sides labeled here, and I'm just going to leave my patty paper there, and I have QR and QP. Well, QR and QP are on the same, so this is a within proportion. So I need to keep that in mind when I'm looking through the ratios to see if they actually correspond. Now let's look at G. We got QR and then KL. So this is a between setup because we're going between the two shapes. So now I have QR and MJ, also a between. And then I got QR and KL, that's also a between. Now that your students can see how this is supposed to look, we can have them redraw it. And they still have this available to move and overlap and overlay. So Q, R, S, and P. So now, let's label them. And we know that the ratios need to correspond. So I have QR here, that's on the side. And QP, it's on the top. So I got the side over the top. So JK, oh, that's the top. And then LM, that's actually on the bottom. So as I label, I can see that none of these actually correspond, so that's not going to be my answer. So you're going to want to encourage your students to continue to label their ratios to see if the sides are in fact proportional. They can continue to use their patty paper as an overlay, but the correct answer for this problem is going to be J. Thanks for watching.